and you can't find any cure to take out that cold and cough away? I have an answer for all of your questions. Today, we're going to make a home remedy, turmeric juice. So let's get started. First, get some warm water. Then sprinkle some salt as per taste. Then add some turmeric powder. Then add some honey. Then at least 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then with a spoon, stir well. Now we have mixed our juice nicely. There you have it. Our turmeric juice is ready. Make sure you try this recipe out. It will surely take your cold and cough away. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!